Okay, things are starting to get a little bit more exciting now. I've got most of the gear off the bike, done the plastic, the wheels, done the forks, the handlebars, and mainly just left with the engine, which I'm hoping is going to come out today, because then I can sort the frame out. I've taken this bracket here was supporting the engine onto the frame, and then there's another one exactly the same where the bolts are out, but I've not yet taken the bracket off. Once everything's off the frame, I think I'm going to have to grind these off, because these wouldn't have been here originally, these foot pegs. So that'll be exciting. Just show you the other side. So I'm guessing, like, when I was taking stuff off, quite a lot of the stuff hadn't been taken off, definitely since I've had the bike, but even before that, because some of it was really tough to get off. So I know that when we eventually put it back together, it's going to feel like a completely new bike, and a hell of a difference, I'm sure, which I'm really looking forward to. But right, I'll put the camera on a stand, get the gloves on, and see if we can get her out. See you in a bit. Hey guys, if you can hit the thumbs up to give me a like, that would be much appreciated. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can do that now by just clicking the subscribe button down on the bottom right hand corner, and then you're never going to miss another video. So that was part 2. In part 3 we're going to be looking at getting this frame powder coated, and I shall leave a link to that video. If it's not on screen now, it will be any second. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future updates. See you in the next video.